beautiful flower plant, self-grown flower plant. You can see this is a self-grown plant having big branches, and this is its flower, and uh, nests the nests the insects are coming and sucking it. You can see all the insects are coming and sucking its juice. A very good plant having branches, you can see inside. This is a great branches of its very good plant, self-grown plant in a jungle, in a barren land. It is self-grown plant, barren land, and the juices of it are sucked by the insects. Various, you can see, my dears,